Good morning, everyone. This is your maths teacher Monica Kamra. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, Idea of Sets. So, what is there in this? It is not a new topic for you. You already know what is a set. A set is a well defined collection of objects, right? Objects can be persons, articles, numbers, etc. For example, collection of all students of class 8th, right? Collection of all days of a week, right? Elements of a set. The objects which belong to the set are called its members or elements. Beta, for example, in this set, students were elements of this set, right? In this set, days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these were elements of this set, right? Okay, so now means whatever are the objects that are making the set, that are elements of the set. Now consider some collections. Collection of 3 days of a week. Do you think it is a set? No, it is not well defined collection because it is not known which 3 days of a week are to be included in the collection. I can give 3 names: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You can give other 3 names: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so like this, every person has different elements. So this is not a set. Collection of brilliant singers of India. Beta, you know very well, everyone has different preference. According to me, brilliant singers are different. According to you, brilliant singers are different. So I will give another names, you will give another names. So we have difference of opinions, means this is not a set. So you have come to know each of these collections is not a set, right? I think you have understood the meaning of well defined now. Usually sets are denoted by capital letters. You can take A, B, C, etc. Like, okay, any capital letter. And the members are denoted by small letters such as X and Y, A, B, C, right? If X is a member of a set, we write X belongs to A. Okay, belongs to means element of A. If X is not member of a set A, we will write X does not belongs to A, right? For member, this symbol. For non-member, non-element, this symbol. Now representation of a set. Beta, we can represent set in 2 ways. These are the most popular ways: roster method and rule method. We call it tabular form also. So what is there in roster method? You know very well. We have already done. In this method, we write all the members of the set and separate these by commas and closed by braces, curly brackets, right? For example, the set of whole numbers less than 4. I know whole numbers start from 0, na? So 0, 1, 2, 3, less than 4. These are the elements of this set. So I have written by roster method. Same set I can write in rule method, in set builder form. So what do you mean by rule method? In this method, as the name indicates, rule. In this method, I have to write the property of the elements of the set. We write a variable, say X, representing any member of the set, followed by a property satisfied by each member. And in this also we enclose it in a curly bracket. So how I will write this set? I will write it has those X such that, for such that I place a standing line, or I can put 2 dots also. So it has those X. X is a member of this set, right? Now I will have to write the property of X. What type of X? It has whole numbers, na? So X is a whole number, right? And beta, it is given that it is less than 4. So I will put for and I will put comma and I will write X is less than 4. So this is the set builder form. Beta, you know standard forms. This N stands for natural numbers. W stands for whole numbers, Z or I stands for integers. N stands for natural numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are members of this set. W whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are. And Z means integers. You have to take 0, positive numbers, and negative numbers, -1, -2, dash dash. Okay. In maths we use symbols, so I can write this in this form also. X is a whole number means X belongs to W. Okay, and X for and I am putting comma, and X is less than 4. I can write in this way or I can write in this way. Both ways are right. Clear? So now we are going to start the exercise. So what is there in question number 1? We just have to classify the sets. Which one is set and which one is not. The collection of the positive integers that are less than 6. Yes, you know very well positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6, na? So these are making this set. So yes, this is a set. We will take it. The collection of rich people in India. Beta, we have difference of opinions. I can say a person who has more than 10 crore is rich. I can give different names. You can say a person who has more than 10 lakhs is also rich. You can give another name. So we have difference of opinions, means this is not a set. Right? So first question is clear. Now second, if A is equal to, in this we have these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then which of the following statements are true? So simply see, I have told you if we have element we put belongs to, and otherwise don't. So this 6 belongs to A. We can see that 6 is element of this set, na? So yes, it is true. Clear? 7 does not belongs to A. Yes, 7 is not present in this. So this is also true. Right? Next is 2 belongs to A. Yes, 2 is present here. 3 belongs to A. Yes, 3 is also present here. And 5 belongs to A. Yes, all these are members of A. So this is also a true statement. Next, they have given set 1, 2, 3 belongs to A. Beta, in set A, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as members, not sets. It is not collection of sets. It is collection of numbers till 6. So this set is not belonging to A. Okay. For sets we use the subset. You will come to know in next exercise. So this is false. Right. Next. 6 belongs to A. Yes, we can see that 6 is belonging to A and 8 belongs to A. But 8 is not element of A. It is not present here. So this statement is also false. Right. I hope this question is clear to you. Coming to next question. They have given write by roster method, right? The set of last 3 months of a year. So you easily know that you can write October, November, and this December. These all are months of year. 3 months of year, last 3, na? So this is a set. I have written in roster method. Next is set of even integers between 25 and 35. You know even integers going on table of 2. So between 25 and 35 means 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. These are even integers between this and this. So this is set in roster form. I hope it is clear to you. Next question, express each of the following sets in the set builder form. Beta, I have to write by property, okay? The set of even integers between 11 and 21. I will put braces. I will write it has those x such that now I will write the property of x. Even integers, na? So means these are multiples of 2. So I can write x is equal to 2n, right? But we have to take even integers between 11 and 21 only. But between 11 and 21 means 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are forming this set, na? So I have written x belongs to n. These n are integers, so I can write n belongs to I, right? But I have to write, if I will put different values, I will get different values of x. For every n, different value of x. I have to take between 11 and 21 only. So beta, if 2n is 12, okay, if 2n is 12, So n will be 12 by 2, 6. So first element will be 6, right? So value of n is greater than equal to 6. And last element is 20, na? So 12 by 2 I should do, na? Yes, this is 6, right? And this then 20 means 2n is 20 means I can say n is 20 by 2, 10. So you have come to know that value of n lies between 6 to n, including 6 and 10. When I will put 6, you can see 2 6 are 12, right? 7 2 7s are 14, 8 2 8s are 16, and so on. Clear? So I have written in set builder form. Next, the set of the factors of 30. I have to write factors of 30. You know very well the numbers which divide 30 are factors of 30. So beta, simply we have to write the rule by rule only. So it has those that x such that x is a factor of 30. We need not to write the factors because we have to write by set builder form. So I hope till here it is clear to you. Now next question. Question number 5. We have to write the sets in tabular as well as set builder form. The set of positive integers. But we know tabular form positive integers start from 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are positive integers. I hope it is clear to you. Now I have to write in set builder form. So it has those x such that, now what type of x? X are integers, na? So I can write x belongs to I. Okay. And because these are positive integers, I will put comma for and x is greater than 0. So means those x which are integers and which are greater than 0 means positive integer. You can write at the place of comma and also, no problem. Okay. So now coming to next part, the set of factors of 24. You know the factors means which are dividing 24. It is going on 1, it is going on 2, okay, it is going on 3 also, on 4 also, 6 also, 8 also, then on table of 12, then 24. So these all are factors of 24. We know how to find the factors. We have done in junior classes. Now I have to write set builder form of this, right? But a simple, we have already done. It has those x such that x is a factor of 24. In tabular form, I have written all the elements separated with commas, and in set builder form, I have written the rule. Okay. Now next part, the set of the natural numbers which are perfect square and are less than 50. Beta, perfect square means you know very well. Square of 1 is 1 into 1. 1 square of 2 is 2 into 2. 4 square of 3 is 3 into 3, 9. Square of 4 is 4 into 4, 16. Square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25. Square of 6 is 6 into 6, 36. Square of 7 is 7 into 7, 49. When I will take square of 8, it will become 64. 64 is not less than 50, not till 50 only I have to take. So these all numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, these are making this set. So I will write all the elements 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. Clear? Now I have to write the set builder form, right? Set builder form. So I will write it has those x such that, now property of x. Perfect squares means these are squares of this 1, 2, 3 and so x is equal to square of n. X is equal to n square, where this n belongs to natural number, right? And beta see, these n are natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so many, infinite, till infinite. I have to take till 7 only, na? Because otherwise it will become more than 50. So I will write n is less than equal to 7. So this is set builder form of this. I can write n is less than 8 or less than equal to 7. Equal to means till 7 I have to take. If I am writing n less than 8 means till 7. This or this both are right. You can write this also or this also. I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 6. In this we have to write the members in the tabular form, sets in the tabular form. It is given that x is equal to n by n plus 1. These n are belonging to natural number and n is less than equal to 9 means till 9 only I have to take. So put n is equal to 1. You will get value of x at the place of n. 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2. This is first element of this set. Now put x is equal to, put n is equal to 2. X will be 2 by 2 plus 1 means 2 by 3. This is second element. Now put n is equal to 3. So x will be at the place of n. 3 by 3 plus 1. So 3 by 4. Similarly, you can obtain remaining all the values. Till 9 you have to put. So we can see that on putting different values of n, I have got these values of x. So these are making this set. So I will write these. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9 and 9 by 10. They are making this set. So this is a roster form of this set. Now we can see next part. They have given it has those are which are satisfying this inequality. We have learned how to solve linear equation in class 7. This 5 will go on right side. It will be subtracted. So 7r is less than 31, right? So I can write r is less than this. 7 will go on that side. It will be divided. So we know that 7 4s are 28. 3 will come down. So not going 30. 7 4s are 28. So on. Means you have got that value of r is less than 4.4. Right? We have to see r belongs to w, means we have to see those whole numbers which are less than 4.4. So I can easily see starting from 0 na? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are making this set. I hope it is clear to you. Same way we can solve this. P is equal to 7m. They have given m belongs to I means integers, and you have to take values of m from -1 to 3. Okay, so I am putting values of m and I am getting values of p to make it. So by putting different values of m, I have got these members. So I will write this set is -7, 0, 7, 14 and 21. It is involving these elements. I have taken value of m from -1 to 3. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and I have obtained the required set. Now beta, last question of the exercise. I have to write in set builder form. They have given tabular form, but I can write this as 1 by 1. Na? You see numerators are same 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Denominators are different. So I will write it has those x such that x is equal to, numerator is same, so at the place of numerator I am keeping 1. Denominator 1, 2, 3, 4 means these are natural numbers, so I can take n. So x is equal to 1 by n, right? At the place of n I will put 1, I will get 1 by 1. 2, 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 3, 4 and so on. So these n are natural numbers. It is important to write. Okay, so this is the tabular form, set builder form of this one. Now next one, they have given that 0, 4, 8, 12, these are the members of the set. I have to write in set builder form. It has those x such that x is equal to, beta we can easily see 0, 4, 8, 12 means 4, 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. These are multiples of 4 na? So I can write x is equal to 4n. But it is starting from 0. So I will write this n belongs to w, whole numbers, right? So 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8 and so on. But it is going till 40 only. Okay, so I will write because 4 10s are 40. So n is less than equal to 10. Means till 10 I have to take. Okay, so this is the set builder form of this. Next one is also same like this. -24, -12, 0, 12. It has those x such that x is equal to, beta I can see these are multiples of 12 na? 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 20, 36, 12 4s are 48 and so on. So I will write it is equal to multiple of 12 means 12n. But in this we have negative numbers also, 0 also and positive numbers also. So I can write these n are belonging to z. I can write I also, no problem. And now you see, but these values are lying between -24 and 60 only. See, beta x is equal to 12n, right? first element is 24, so 12n is minus 24, so n will be minus 24 by 12, means value of n is minus 2, sorry. And when next last element 12n is 60, means n is 60 by 12, 5. You can easily see na, between minus 2 to 5, right? I hope it is clear to you. Now beta, I am going to show you the exercise. In 1a, we have done all the questions where I have made the circles that are your homework. Remaining all I have explained to you. So I will put this in assignment. You have to complete the exercise. First do the classwork which I have explained to you, and after that circle once you will do homework. Don't mix homework and classwork. First do classwork, then homework, so that we should be able to check your mistakes. Okay, I will send this answer sheet also. You can verify your answers. Okay beta, thank you.